Hi, I am Rajnikant Mishra, QA and LRDI faculty for MBA entrance exam. Our today's question is based on compound interest investment problem. Anil invested $22,000 at CI for 6 years at 4% per annum, but compounding is done half yearly. So convert this 4% annually into 2% half yearly and 6 years into 12 half years. Now, Sunil invested some amount. Don't know the principal of Sunil. Suppose this principal is P1 and Sunil's principal is P2. Sunil invested P2 amount in same scheme, means compound interest, 2% half yearly, but for 5 years means 10 half years. 10 half years. And after that, he invested this amount, reinvested this amount, means suppose this amount is A2, means P2 after 5 years, matured amount will become A2 and A2 will be invested for 1 year at SI 10% and this amount after increment become A3. And this P1 principal become A1 amount. A1 is the amount in which 22,000 principal plus 6-year interest is included, and A2 is the amount in which P2 plus 5-year interest included, and after that A2 invested for 1 more year, it become A3, means in this A3, A2 plus 1 more year interest which is on SI is included. According to question, A1 is equal to A3. So find out the amount P2, means principal of Sunil. First we need to find the ratio between P1 and A1. How can we find ratio between P1 and A1? There is 2% increment half yearly, means if 100 rupees is invested, it become 102 in 1 half year. For 1 half year, 100 become 102, but this is successive increment, 2% continuously increasing 12 times, means we need to multiply this 100:102 ratio 12 times. 100:102, 100:102, 100:102, 12 times and multiply all the ratios, means P1 and A1 ratio will become 100 to power 12 by 102 to power 12. This is the ratio between P1 and A1. But what is the ratio between P2 and A2? P2 by A2. Here ratio, 1 year ratio is obviously 100:102, but here there are 10 half years. So we need to multiply this ratio 10 times, means this ratio become 100 to power 10 by 102 to power 10. Means if 100 to power 10 is invested, it become 102 to power 10 after 5 years. And after that, this 102 to power 10 reinvested at 10% per annum SI for 1 year. So after 10% increment, this amount become 110% of 102 to power 10, means to make it 110% means 110%, we need to multiply this amount by 11 by 10 or 110 by 10. This is your A3 amount. Okay. Now from first equation, A1 is equal to 102 to power 12 by 100 to power 12 into P1, and P1 is already given 22,000. And from equation number 2, P2 by A3 is equal to 100 to power 10 by 102 to power 10 into 11 by 10. So A3 will be equal to 102 to power 10 by 100 to power 10 into 11 by 10 P2. As we know, A3 is equal to A1. So make them equal. 102 to power 10, 102 to power 12 cancel. 102 square is left. 100 to power 10, 100 to power 12 is left, cancelled out. Only 100 square is left. Now 11 by 10 into P2 is equal to 102 square by 100 square into 22,000. Transfer this 10 to the right side. There are 4 zeros. 100 square has 4 zeros. So cancel this and cancel out these 4 zeros. 11 and 22 cancelled, only 2 left, means P2 is nothing but 102 square into 2. 102 square is 10404 into 2 means P2 will be equal to 20808. This is the principal amount of Sunil. Now question is, how can we find 102 square easily? Now 102 square. Here we use formula a plus b whole square, a square, b square, 2ab, but in different manner. Suppose unit digit is equal to b and 10 left portion is equal to a. A square means 10 square, 10 square is equal to 100, b square, 2 square is equal to 4, 2ab, 2 into 10 into 2 is equal to 40. Write 4 here, single digit, 0 of 40 and rest 4 carry forward. 100 plus 4 will become 104. This is the square of 102. If you want to find 2-digit square, suppose you want to find 78 square, then what will we do? Unit digit is equal to b, rest portion is equal to a square means 49, b square means 64, 8 square is at 64, 2 into 8 into 7 is equal to 112. Now, one by one, unit digit 4, extra portion carry forward, 112 plus 6 is 118, take unit digit of this 118, 8 and extra portion 11 carry forward, 49 plus 11 is equal to 60 means 6084 is the 78 square. If you like this concept, hit the like button, share this video to your friends and subscribe this channel to never miss such concepts. Thank you.